Hey love bugs, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we'll be styling this beautiful highlight lace wig courtesy of Nadula. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So this is what she looks like straight out of the pack. As I mentioned, she is a 13x4 highlight lace wig. We have lace from ear to ear, which is what we love to see. I'm going to go ahead and put her on right away. And obviously when you first put her on, she's a little bit scary, mainly because there's color. A lot of us are afraid of color. I don't think color is scary. You just got to know how to install it and finesse it and make it look super good. So off the bat, what I'll say about this one, it is tweeds in the front. Pretty nice. The color is also done really nice. You don't have to tint the lace. I find that when you tint the lace on a lighter color wig, it typically, for me personally, would come out a little bit more on the red side. So I'll worry about like adding powder and stuff at the very end. I was able to literally just go in, put her on, and cut off the lace and install her right off the bat. Now this here is a eyebrow razor. I buy them in bulk off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box. I literally get like maybe like 20-30 in a bulk for like $5, and I love having a fresh one because like I get my face lasered and you're supposed to like shave your chin, shave your mustache and all that. I know that's too much information, but I love these for so many different things. So I'll leave my link to the ones I use. And for around the ear, I also customize with some scissors. Now that the wig fits perfect without any excess lace, let's go ahead and install. For me, you guys know I love a glueless install, mainly because I like to snatch my wig off at night and just sleep in a scarf. And I also just like to make sure that I'm not damaging, my hairline. Since I wear wigs almost every day, I don't want to, permanently wear glue. Whenever I install a wig, I do use a blow dryer on a cool setting. This is going to make sure that the wig sticks really good. It helps that non-glue adhesive dry down really good. It makes the install clean, and then it also makes sure that the install lasts for at least a good 2 to 3 days, especially if you're wearing your elastic band during your shower time and giving it time to dry with the elastic band on after your shower. I think I installed this one beautifully. It's nice and clean, but you can definitely go in with some sea breeze or some rubbing alcohol and kind of clean up the hairline. As you go in and style it, I kind of feel like a little bit of that, if you find like you get a little bit of whiteness or a little bit of cakiness, that'll literally go away as you style and do your next steps, especially if you're doing baby hair. But of course, like I said before, for a clean application, use a little cotton ball and a little alcohol and you'll be good to go. So as you guys see, I went ahead and added my wax. This is going to help the hairline, the crown of the head, the entire lace area to lay down super flat. It will make it a little bit more oily, as you guys can see, but paired with the electric hot comb, this is my favorite combo for all of my wigs, whether they're colored or just a regular 1B, black, brown, whatever, you know what I mean? It just makes it look so good. It makes it so that it's not too many flyaways. Everything just looks salon ready when I do the step, even along the front hairline. This is how I get my hairline to look like it's growing out of my scalp and look a lot more glueless. I hope you guys can see what a huge difference that makes. Again, my hairline is not 100% clean, so once I go in and add that powder in my next step, you'll see that this is gonna look bomb.com. As promised, we're now going to add a powder to the parting and the hairline. Be sure to use a powder that is closer to your complexion, but not too red, not too orange, not too yellow. Especially with this, yellow would clash so much, so kind of be careful and kind of test it before you apply it. This color worked great, and I'll have it linked in the description box. Okay, y'all, best feeling ever. Wig installed, color matching on the hairline and in the parting. Everything is good to go. All I have to do now is style the ends. I believe this one looks so beautiful with a little bit more layer and some curls. But for today, I'm just going to silk press it a little bit with my Babyliss flat iron. This one is the GOAT. It does the job. It gets extremely hot, and you know, it's my favorite. I've tried every flat iron on the market, and this one here is my favorite. Don't forget to use your heat protectant, especially with your lace. I always forget my heat protectant. Like, I have to set a reminder or something, but make sure you use your heat protectant, and voila. Okay guys, so I am done with this look. To my surprise, I actually went for the no baby hair look. Now the first thing I thought of when I put this wig on was Destiny's Child, Bills, Bills, Bills. I don't know why, but this wig reminds me of her look in that video when she had on the cute, was it pink pleather shorts with a little cut off arm piece or whatever it was. But I just felt like this would be baby hair would be too much with this one. Maybe I'm wrong. If I actually wore this for a couple of days, I probably will still go back and try and see what it will look like with baby hair. But I don't know, I just felt like it didn't need, or it wasn't meant to have baby hair, if that makes any sense. And I love the way it came out. Maybe I'll add a little bit of sideburns, like define that out, and that will look really cute. I just feel like the swoops and stuff wasn't called for with this look. And typically blonde hair, baby hair, you can, it looks lighter on the skin anyway. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think about that. Baby hair or no baby hair, which I know you guys would vote for no baby hair. This one did come from Nadula, and I do get Beyonce vibes from it. Now this isn't gonna be everybody's taste. Most of us are, you know, easy breezy 1B color kind of girls. But the sun is coming out, and I think it's fun to switch it up and have a little bit of color. I think it looks good against my complexion. Typically it would be safer to have a dark brown root, and you can pretty much do anything as long as you have a dark brown root that blends out nicely. But with this one, I just kind of felt like it would be fun to play around and, you know, have some fun. I love you too. I love you. Love you too. Go ho Coco. So this is the packaging that the wig came in, if I did not show it before. I've worked with Nadula a couple of times, so you know, I already know the drill with them. The wig comes in a bag like this, and then of course they give you your wig caps, which this is too light for my complexion, but all I will do is like buff a little bit of foundation on top of it, and it'll blend just fine. Some elastic, basically an elastic band, but it's like the bra strap kind. And then also they gave me one of these wraps, and this is pretty much a satin wrap. It kind of has an ombre effect. That's actually pretty cute, and it has their logo right here. And you know, you can just put it around your edges at night whenever you're going to sleep, or when you're working out, or when you get in the shower. Always wear something around your edges, protect your edges, keep your wig flat, and all of that. Typically when you go for a color, it feels like a lot of work, a lot of maintenance, but this one is definitely easy, low maintenance. I did add a heat protectant. Always add your heat protectant. I forgot to add it when I did the crown of my head, but I definitely added it at the ends, and I don't feel like I needed any like oil sheen or anything like that. Typically when you have lighter color hair, it just feels like when you add even a little bit of oil, it weighs it down super quick and easy. So I didn't want to do that. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I hope you guys loved this video. Be sure to check out Nadula. Link to this wig is in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications because it would help me out so much. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!